up, YouTube? It's your boy Parris, and I'm back at it again with another video. Man, it's nighttime already, man. Today, man, I'm finna be cooking some tacos, street corn, tacos and street corn. It's gonna be. Faith, what type of meat is this? What type of meat is this? Faith in the building. She kind of shy, y'all. She gonna get from over there. Okay, y'all. We're gonna be cooking tacos with Chuck. What's this shit say? Chuck pot roast. And then ground beef. So we finna get everything right. I get to y'all when I got all the stuff on the plate ready to get chopped up. You feel me? We finna go ahead and get the ground beef on the plate real quick for y'all. Go ahead and get this ground beef on the plate. Let me go ahead and put a napkin. We got the seasoning and shit for that roast shit. Everything got the way for y'all. Okay, we're just gonna cut this shit up, man. Give it a nice little whoop. Oh shit. We just gonna slide that shit right over here. Gonna go ahead and chop that shit up. Get that ground beef all nice and chopped up. All chopped up. The meat is all chopped up. I'm finna go ahead and pour the water in the pot for the corn. And I saw it was a different way to cook the Faith, what type of meat is this again? You already know. We lit. I'll be sending Faith to come help me real quick.
Chuck pot roast.
Okay, I never had no chuck pot roast, but we finna see what that shit talking about. Go look on YouTube. That shit do look good. I saw some different ways of making that shit. You feel me, some different ways of making it, but we gonna see. We gonna get right. But I'm finna go ahead and put the water in the pot. Keep turning the water on.
Pink pots. You not pink pots.
We putting that water in that pot. Finna get that thing boiled up. Yeah, that's them one. Oh, that's good. Alright. Finna get the corn that's on a nice and good temperature. Fun out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and turn it on. Ooh. So we gonna put it on a nice little level of heat. Nice little level of heat. Then go ahead and get right in the kitchen.
Get the candle.
Ho, 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 ho. Face the camera. Alright, y'all. There go the candle.
It's all of them or not?
Back to the meat. So we did get it chopped all up. I'm finna go ahead and throw this on the pot. So yeah, I know it's a lot of ground beef on here, but shit, it is just two of us. Fuck it. A lot of ground beef. I'm gonna just let that go ahead and get hot. We back. I had to switch the spots with the pots, but I'm finna bring y'all back over here because I gotta cut up the onions. See y'all on the side. The corn and the roast beef is still in there. That's because I gotta get that right. I gotta go ahead and make sure I got that right. So we're gonna pick a different knife. The ground beef is cooking up right now. We're gonna use a different knife to cut up the onions. So I'm gonna cut it in like a. I'm gonna just get it. I'm fuck with it, bro. I ain't gonna do too much of that. I'm gonna fuck with it. We're gonna put that thing up. Hey, I'm not gonna tell you to put it in between. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna slice it. Get some slices. See, I'm taking that to the table. Ooh, that beef cooking, y'all. That beef right there, too. No fake. You put that shit to the side. Cut up these onions. Put on these one of the roast. Oh, shit. Hey, don't get that shit. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get to y'all when putting the roast on the plate. Y'all, I had to stop doing that real quick. I got to check on the meat. The ground beef, see how that thing going. See how it's holding up. Ooh, that thing holding up good so far. We're gonna put that seasoning in a little bit. Alright, y'all. Finna go cut a piece of this chuck roast and we gonna get to it. Alright, y'all, I got the little shit all cut up and shit. We gonna go ahead and hit that thing with some seasonings, olive oil, some vegetable oil, and yeah, this how I saw that shit done on the you feel me, video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dry that motherfucker kind of wet. Dry the table. Dry that motherfucker. And I'm finna hit it with some olive oil first. We're gonna go ahead and vegetable oil. Go ahead and pour some of that shit on there. Then do a little mix around. That was a good cut too. Hold on. Oh, that ground beef getting good over there. I get to y'all. We gotta get to the ground beef. Y'all see that ground beef is looking amazing. It's taking a nice little, yes sir, soaking, yeah. Ground beef looking amazing, man. I'm finna go ahead and put that sauce in there. Then let y'all see me work that sauce. Let y'all see me throw that sauce in there. I don't know why the damn cabinet. For some reason the cabinet all went down. Getting off what the fuck. Alright, I'm finna go ahead and get him some of that sauce. Get him some of that sauce. Scissor that thing around. Alright, y'all. That's how y'all start meat for real. This one that thing soaking in. Let it go on nice and right for sure. I know you got done here, but that's the sauce on it. That's flavor. I left some more sauce in the sauce thing for around. You don't want this extra. Look, bitch shit out. But yeah, that got me looking amazing so far. Talk about food buzzing. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all. Season. Then we go ahead and open the top. Got the steak. Go ahead and hit it with some salt. Flip it. On each side, y'all can't never forget, that's not a lot of salt. It barely came out. Don't do too much. Then we gonna go ahead and hit that motherfucker with some pepper. Boom. Y'all, this not a steak, so I don't know if I should use mustard. But this not no steak. This some other shit. Oh, we got it falling. Alright, y'all, we gonna go ahead. Flip that motherfucker on this side. It's some big ass meat though. I think this a cow head. No, I'm fucking with y'all. It's not, I won't be eating no damn cow head. Oh no. Alright, y'all. God, this shit is nice and sizzling. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Hold on. Hey, y'all. Yeah. We just went this meat over here sizzling and shit. I'm finna go ahead and turn this other pot on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the other pot on. Get that right. It's nice and hot. This should take a little minute. Oh shit, bro. I'm on my phone. I was the wrong one, y'all. Alright, we in business now. Alright. So the corn is about ready to get thrown in. I'm finna throw the corn in because the water is boiling. I don't know if this a weird combination, y'all. But street corn, that's corn. Street corn is different. I like it, so I like 5 in. Maybe like 2. I like it on that boys. Yeah, I just had that what? Fuck it, I'm listening to. Alright, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all see what's going on over here. Y'all see what's going on over here. Me looking amazing though. On the yeah side with it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Let that go off. That steak. We finna get ready to go ahead and cook that steak, y'all. I mean, not the steak, the pork. The pop, whatever that shit called. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all when I put the steak on the grill. I'm gonna hit y'all when I put the steak on the stove, I mean. Jeez. Alright, y'all. So I had a little incident and cut my finger or whatever, but I did end up putting mustard on that motherfucking just because I wanted to. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and add the onion on there real quick. Let the onion get a nice flavor going. Oh shit, god damn it. I'm a chef for real, y'all. Don't do. Yeah. I done spit some onions, but when that get a little nice and warm and shit, I'm gonna get back to y'all. The meat right here, ground beef already done. You feel me? So when I get done, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We making tacos tonight, y'all. Tacos. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I'll get back to y'all when it's almost ready. I came in here to chill, Faith. Till the food's done. I don't got no more weed right now, but we gonna be thugging. I can get weed tomorrow because everybody's so far. Everybody's so far. I'm 2 hours from the weed plugs and shit. But we gonna see. Maybe we get out tonight, maybe we don't. Look, it's dark as hell. Y'all can't see shit. Yeah, man. But I don't got no weed, I be bored sometimes. Be losing my damn mom. I'm gonna get some though. I ain't rushing though. I'm chilling right now because I'm cooking, feel me, enjoying my time. So, hey. Alright, y'all. That goes. Fucking out. Okay. Me cooking one hand. I'm a chef, like I already told y'all last. I'm a chef. Ain't gonna say it again. Ain't gonna say it again. I'm a fucking chef. Hold on. But yeah. This is just a little quick cooking video of me, man. Faith. What's done? And we got a YouTube video coming soon. What's it called, Faith? What type of YouTube video is called? Like, what type of YouTube video? What's that? What's it called?
What?
Where you show your clothes?
Oh, and haul.
Oh, we got a haul coming soon. You feel me? I just Faith ordered me some clothes and shit, and she ordered some clothes, so we was just gonna show y'all what we got. You feel me? But I'm finna set the camera back up. I'll get to y'all when I'm done doing that. Alright, y'all. As y'all see how motherfuckers doing this thing. My first time ever cooking this shit, y'all. First time. We put that meat, y'all. Corn, getting nice and boiling. I'm finna throw some butter in that motherfucker. The butter be busting. Hold on. This lady get nice and simple. Nice and right, nice and right, nice and right, nice and right. Man, y'all comment down below on videos y'all want me to do. Videos y'all want us to do. Y'all make sure y'all hit the comment, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe too. But comment down below what other videos y'all like to see from us. But yeah, tomorrow we going to the store. I'll make sure I record that. Oh, my bad. My mom had called me, but I'm back. And y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. That shit is getting nice and right. Y'all, so now I gotta record it. I'm finna throw some butter.
Do you guys see the pink pots? And we got the pink knives. Sorry.
Throw some butter in that. Go ahead and put the butter back over here.
Look, Parris.
Yes, sir. Alright, like that. I'm gonna stretch this one. Gotta let the size of it cook. Let it get a nice little cook. Sorry, y'all. I'm going through it right now. Let this side cook on it. I'm gonna stretch this meat and throw it back on the pot. Soon. Yes, sir. Look how that thing looking, y'all. Nice and right, nice and right. I'm gonna let it sit on there for a little more. I'm gonna hit this side with the garlic salt, because I ain't hit this side with the garlic salt yet. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this side with the garlic salt, get a little bit of butter, a little extra butter on it. Then put some more butter in there. Got some more butter in there. Corn smelling so good, y'all. I promise, y'all. I'll put a little bit of garlic.
Here, I'm setting the camera up.
Alright. Put some more garlic on that side.
Sorry, I messed up this.
Sorry, yeah. Alright, y'all. So we put more garlic on this side. We put more garlic on this side. That's the napkin. Don't worry about that over there. Put that butter on the top. I swear it's always better with butter. It's always better with butter, man. Always better with butter.
Oh, the corn smells good. Parris, no.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm take this off the pot and get ready to shred it.
Peace.
Y'all, we got the roast back. This shit on back on there. I don't really know. This is way harder than cooking steak because it's way thicker and shit. But yeah, this meat you supposed to shred this shit up. I think I might have to boil water. But yeah, y'all, we gonna let this sit and get nice and with the flavors and shit. Then I'll get back to y'all when it's all done. It's all ready to get shredded. Alright, y'all, I found the new way. I'm gonna go ahead and put the little stuff in here and let it get into the fat and shit. I looked on YouTube. This a little good way to do it too. If y'all don't know, fuck it, I'm putting the extra seasonings in this bitch. For now, I need all that extra seasoning. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get her to put some more garlic salt in here. Put on. Oh, killer. Oh.
You using this to shred it?
I don't know what's going on. We got that shit cooking. Nice and corn going crazy. Everything going crazy. We lit. I'm finna put those taco shells on in a minute. That's why I just had to wash them out. That's why she's finna wash them out. Cause I'm finna have those taco shells ready in a minute. I just put a little more the butter into the corn, and we're gonna let this on. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit?
Let me do it.
I'm gonna go. Ooh, sorry. Fuck y'all, I just got it everywhere real quick. Hold on, let me grab a napkin, sorry. I gotta grab a napkin to wipe up the mess I cleaned. You got on me? To wipe up the mess I cleaned. Wipe up the mess I cleaned.
Yeah, I'm just turning it down.
Yo, Pep's gonna go ahead and hit the down button. Turn this motherfucker down. So we get nice and right. Nice and right. Let me see if that meat's good enough for me to go in. And it is. Yes, sir. I'm finna go ahead and wash this plate off. Finna wash the plate off, y'all. Finna wash the plate off. Gotta get the plate nice and clean for I can put that the roast on here. Y'all know what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Alright, y'all, I'm finna put this on the plate. And let's see if it's ready to get all sliced up. Shred it up. Let's go. Wait. Woo. Put it on there. Turn this off for the power will burn.
Look at that. The corn.
Go ahead. Look, fam, get this. Go ahead and get it poured. Everything must get poured. Alright, y'all. We'll go ahead and wash this. Get us a little rinse. The corn, for real, almost done. I'm just trying to get it a little.
We made this the other night.
Pasta.
Like 2 nights ago. This chicken Alfredo.
Oh yeah, chicken Alfredo. I'm talking about pasta.
You got the cheese.
Okay, we don't need that. Oh yeah, well no, we don't need that cheese.
No?
Uh-uh.
What kind of cheese?
We go melt the butter. Alright, y'all. I'm finna see if we can stretch the meat. Let's get to it.
Sorry.
It's okay. No, I want her to be in the video. She trying to hold the camera and shit. Come straight it with me.
Huh?
Straight it with me. Alright, y'all, so we finna go ahead and straight it. I know the camera kind of low. Well, that's because I got it in this angle for y'all can see her straight to me. And yeah.
Shred.
We gonna see if it's gonna straight. Did I do my thing or no? Because it's kind of thick. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, yo, I for sure gonna straight.
Let me shred it. Let me shred it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Let me shred it.
Go ahead. Yo, I'm gonna let her go ahead and straight it.
Maybe we should cut it. I think we should cut it. Let's taste it.
Yeah, y'all. I'm finna cut it first and then shred it. It's good?
Mm-hmm. This is good.
Oh, yeah, hold on. I gotta put it back in there.
What thing?
The thing. Alright, y'all. You see it's like a medium rare right now?
This is good.
This shit like a medium rare right now after I'm done studying it up. You know, I cut off the nutrition taco season. This way to get that brown, you feel me? That brown looks like that flavor to it. You feel me? So I'm just go ahead. This is let's do it. I'm going to put taco season in there. And this meat already done. Hey! Oh, damn. Look at this. Now, I'm going to crazy. Go ahead. Put the taco season in. Oh, into this. Get it right. Get it right. You know how to taco season. Taco season. Taco season. I'm gonna let that get the flavor going. Nothing. I'm gonna let that go in there. For the top me off, I'm gonna put some more. Nice going and see it. And I can make taco thing. Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man, when that meat all ready to get took out, man. Peace. So I pour a little bit of water in here for you. Faith. Alright, y'all, we got it going on. Whoa. Phone on. Alright, now I'm finna go ahead and try to throw those taco shells on there real quick. See where I'm gonna hit them at the place and I'm sure I did. But then, you know, it's always good to make sure you know that meat juice on the tacos. You feel me? It's always good, right? You know that meat juice on the tacos. You know that meat juice. It's not good. Oh, look. This is better than see the meat juice. You like this one, oh, I got butter. I do use my butter. No doubt. Go ahead and try to show you now. But I use the butter to create some juice. Like a nice flavor of juice. You feel me? So go ahead and put my butter on it now. But then you want good flavor with your meat, for sure. Woo! Go ahead and give it a minute. Put that on now. Oh shit, oh. Fuck it, grab myself. Don't cut it off, yo. Yup, cut it off, that's one. I'll cut myself. Go ahead and cut it on there. Boom. Get that one. Pow. Oh, it's supposed to be something good. Look, this is the. Get that video nice. Get that one. Nice and salty. Okay, look at the sauce on it. Delicious meat. That corn looking so good, y'all. You may get a lot that type of corn. So y'all stay tuned, Mm-hmm. That's it, That's it, too. You want to finish that real quick? Make that taco shell. Yo, I'm going to let Faye take over real quick.
it off. Is this on?
Yeah, this is on.
Let's try one. That's good. Spicy?
It's spicy?
No. Oh yeah, this is good. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yes, sir. Huh?
You already asked them?
Oh yeah, I did. I did ask. This is our kitchen. Here's the living room. Spaghetti. We need to get furniture. It's the mirror. Yeah, I asked. Yeah. Here we go.
No, I'm back. Give me a second. I got to go ahead. A little bit. Taste that, little taste that. Got it. Mm-hmm. He's not cooking like me, man. Do they know anybody over here that's go ahead and hit it with the Parmesan cheese, man. Go ahead and hit it with Parmesan cheese, man. Make sure I get that palm on there. Make sure I get that palm on there, man. Definitely mix. Take it on. Flip that thing. Flipping. Flip it. That boy with some more. Then, you can never go wrong with butter. I'm finna melt some butter, y'all. Some butter, 1 second. I'll get back to y'all when I got the melted butter. I got that melted butter getting ready to get put on the corn. And yeah, y'all, we finna get lit. Watch y'all see this shit. That butter make it taste way better. Way better, trust me. Way better. Way better. Alright, y'all, we finna go ahead and pour that melted butter on there. Go ahead and pour that melted butter. Man. And for the final, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some tahini. Pep, you want tahini? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. So, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and hit it with some good old-fashioned tahini. Just a little bit. Just a little bit on each one. Okay, y'all. So, as y'all see. Alright, I'm gonna get to y'all when I got everything sorted out and everything ready to get fixed. Jeez. We got the stuff ready. Place all made and stuff. So, come on, we gonna do the thumbnail. Alright, y'all.
Oh my god.
Thumbnail. Just a little quick thumbnail. Alright. So, yeah, y'all. We got it. Chuck pot roast. The street corn. We have the tacos and the meat. See y'all when she make the plates. Also, a little incident just happened. Faith just cut her finger. Can I see her finger? I'm for the doctor her help, y'all, because this is my baby and I don't really be hurting.
Oh, it's a little cut.
It's not a big cut. Oh, what's that? Is that, oh. It's not a big cut, y'all. But that shit, I saw it happen. See, all right, bro. See, baby. See that. They get in the light. This the food. Ooh! You already know what I'm finna do. I'm finna go crazy. Go crazy on some dinner. Right, y'all, I'm finna close out the video. Finna close out the video. I'll show y'all the food. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is a little short video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And hit that bell. Follow us on Instagram. And I'll see y'all next time.